In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable one-click trading on Tradingview. By the end, you'll have Tradingview set up to place orders instantly with a single click, so you can act quickly when the market moves. Before we start, remember that one-click trading removes confirmation prompts, which means orders are sent immediately. It's a powerful convenience, but it also requires careful risk management. Begin on any chart in Tradingview. To open the chart settings, click the small gear icon near the top right of the chart area. If you don't see it, you can also right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Settings from the menu. This opens the full settings panel for the chart you are viewing. Take a moment to get familiar with this panel. It's where you control visual preferences, scales, trading tools, and more. Next, navigate to the trading section inside the settings. You'll find it as a tab along the left side of the panel. This is where Tradingview keeps all options related to order placement, position display, and broker connection behavior. If you use multiple charts or layouts, remember that these are chart-specific settings, so adjust them on the chart where you want one-click behavior. Now, enable instant order placement. Look for the option labeled Instant Orders Placement or One-Click Trading. Depending on your interface version, check this box. With this turned on, clicking a buy or sell control will send the order immediately without the usual confirmation dialog. That means less friction and faster execution, especially during fast markets. But it also means you should be precise with your clicks and position sizes. If you are new to this feature, consider practicing with a paper trading account first and start small until you are comfortable. To make clicking even easier, ensure the buy or sell buttons are enabled in the same trading tab. When these buttons are on, you'll see clear buy and sell controls on the chart, typically along the right side near the price scale. These buttons help you act quickly without digging through menus, and they pair perfectly with one-click trading. If you later prefer more confirmation, you can simply hide the buttons or turn off instant placement. That's it. You've enabled one-click trading, aligned the interface with your workflow, and set yourself up for faster execution. Keep your risk controls in place. Double-check the account and order type you are using, and turn the